how I have made over $1,000 daily affiliate commissions with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, as you can see on my screen, right, this is just one of my ClickBank accounts, multiple accounts. I'm promoting different offers, and you can see for the current week in 3 days, right, 4,000 US dollars, $6,000, and so on and so forth. As you can see over here, my daily affiliate commissions, right, on my screen. Now, the most important thing when it comes to ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2026, as a beginner, maybe someone who already tried different courses, programs, and failed. Maybe you tried ClickBank, maybe you tried MaxWeb, maybe you tried Amazon, dropshipping, Shopify stores, whatever, and you have failed. It's not your fault. Why? Let me show exactly how we are making a difference. Okay, so you can see, right, with Google pay-per-click ads, what is the difference? The difference is that we are looking for buyers. Social media ads like TikTok ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, yes, they are different kind of game. Google, it's all about buyers clicks. We need buyers intent. Because listen to me closely, please. Listen. If you have attention without intention, you have curiosity clickers. Meaning you have some weird, ugly image as a kid or even as a grown-up adult, you're going to be interested. What is that? What the heck is this? Something weird, right? But you don't buy. You don't swipe your credit card. So what the heck, right? You don't need those views. You don't need those clicks because those clicks are wasting your money and time. As an affiliate on ClickBank or Digistore or even MaxWeb. Okay, I'm also running CPA affiliate offers with CPA affiliate marketing, but here it's all about buyer's intent. Once you have the right message to the market match, you will get sales. It's simple and easy as that. But for that to happen, my friend, as you watch this video, you need to have someone who can help you and show you over the Zoom calls, one-on-one, in 30 minutes, how the ad campaigns are set up properly. Okay, that's like saying, heck, someone has 1 million views and 1,000 clicks and get 0 sales, and other person can have 500 views and 100 clicks or 50 clicks and get 10 sales. Why? Same offer, different copy, different results. Because we are targeting buyers, and buyers have different kind of emotional states. We have high emotional states and low emotional states audiences. We have males, we have females. They're responding differently to different language patterns. Okay? All this matters. All this is very important. We are not selling products. We are pre-selling them in order for them to make a buying decision. All right? Simple and easy. Again, once you stop buying outdated courses from gurus who are running ads, promoting the courses, but they're never doing this themselves. Okay? You'll never see, never ever, me running any Facebook ads or YouTube ads for any course. Okay? Yes, as you can see, I work one-on-one with my students. You can see over here, right? You can see another one over here. We go on Zoom calls. We set up Google ad campaigns. She is from Spain. She has been making over 850 euros in profit with ClickBank every single day. Heck, how? Yeah, because we do it one-on-one, step by step together, by actually hand-holding my students, okay? So you can see, right, if you are someone who has tried different courses, you have miserably failed with ClickBank, with Facebook ads or Google ads, your ad account shut down, you are not lost. You just followed the wrong, outdated methods. That's like going to one bad restaurant, right? You got food poisoning in one restaurant, and then you say, heck, for my whole life, always scam, always bullshit, I will never go to any restaurant. Of course not. You'll be stupid to say so, right? Because I know you're smart, because you're still watching this video, listening to my voice. You know that you deserve more in life, right? More than just 9 to 5, pay the bills, go home, and repeat every single day. All right? So people left and right, if you look, they're buying things online. Your neighbors, your family, your friends, maybe even you watching this video. You bought something online, even Uber Foods. You ordered Dash, whatever, right? You're buying things online, weight loss supplements. So it's very important to understand that in 2026, live shopping, TikTok, everything is huge. So why the heck don't you take advantage and leverage of that, okay? And start making money as these people over here, right? As you can see. Now again, if you want to know exactly how to do it, I have been traveling to over 69 countries thanks to affiliate marketing. I'm doing this full time. I'm every day in the trenches promoting different ClickBank offers, also private CPA offers as an affiliate, right? As a super affiliate. So you can see you have my Instagram, my WhatsApp, my personal. Yes, I'm giving you access to me if you're only serious person. I have my phone. Here my WhatsApp, okay? Email a Facebook Messenger. So you can connect with me as a person, human, not AI chatbot like other gurus from ClickBank or somewhere else. They will send you emails and chatbots and never connect to you, never pick up the phone and talk to you. So if you want to have results, if you're serious, if you're ready to invest some money in yourself in a little bit of time, do let me know. You know where to find me, and see you on the other side.